What up? It's Wil Vitela, home tech expert, back in Coda de Casa, here to install the ultimate Sonos audio system for this gym. Check this out. This is how we do it at Home Tech Expert. After getting the measuring done, getting the cutting done, and the in-wall wiring, I'm setting this up to mount the speakers on the wall. These Sonos ERA300 speakers are absolutely amazing. You get sound in 3 different directions. They fire to the left, to the right, and also up in the air, bouncing off of the ceiling and coming back down. And I also have a Sonos premium subwoofer here on the floor. But wait, I don't just have one Sonos subwoofer on the floor. I also have a second one over here in the corner, dispersing the bass throughout the gym evenly. So it is going to sound absolutely amazing. And of course, I have Sonos voice control to be able to be connected to your Spotify. If you want to get something done like this at your home, go to my website and schedule a free in-home estimate, hometechexpert.com.